Welcome into Journeys with JC. Today we're going to finish up our wild Florida visit with visiting their walk-through animal exhibit. We're going to grab some food, so we'll show you the menu there. And we're going to take an airboat ride, which is a lot of fun, and you're not going to want to miss it. And oh yeah, who's this guy? We'll let you know. Coming up. Let's go! Just past the Wild Safari entrance, you'll come to a second driveway which will bring you into the Wild Florida walkthrough exhibit. This parking lot that's close to the entrance doesn't hold a lot of cars, and sometimes you get lucky, you get a spot. Other times I may drive around once or twice to see if I can. If not, there's a secondary lot just before this lot where you can, it's an overflow lot where you can park. If you haven't seen my first video on Wild Florida's drive-thru safari, I'll link that one in the description so you can check that one out. And when you buy an admission to the drive-thru safari, you get admission to this park also. So now we've came over to the other side of the Wild Florida areas. They have two areas. One's the drive-thru safari. This is the walkthrough, and it also has the airboat rides. So we're gonna go check in here and check out the gift shop and see about the airboat rides. Alright, as soon as you walk in, they got a huge map pin. Ask us for a pin. I guess you can pin where you're from, and they will put your pin on the map. There's people from all over. So the missus signed us up for the hour tour, and we had to fill out and sign the release form, waited for our ride time, and then made our way down the walkway to where the airboats were. And walked, and walked, and walked, until we finally made it to the end. The captain of our boat was Captain Mike, the person you saw me with at the beginning of this video. Captain Mike was really good, really knowledgeable, and it was a great boat ride. We saw bald eagles, a cow, a bunch of alligators, and some interesting birds. I'll be posting a video of the full airboat ride, so if you like the airboat rides, you might want to check that video out. Captain Mike did a really cool slide around the corner here. It just, they made it that much more fun.
Said you was wrestling an alligator today. I need some of that whiskey first. Well, if somebody decides to wrestle one, I'll give him a hand. Listen, you jump down there and get on top of his head and hold his mouth closed, and I'll come get his tail.
Some of that Jack Daniels, maybe. Right?
Did you get him?
All right, I'm gonna pass this around. The little bumps on their backs, this is what they're called, scoops, and this is what they are. Each one of those is an individual bone-covered skin. They're like little solar panels to them. They help them warm up fast in the sun and cool off quick in water. If alligators don't get warmed up enough in the wintertime, they can't digest their food. So you guys are coming at a great time of the year to look for alligators.
Boy, did the hour go by fast. And then we're heading back to the dock. Make sure you check the prices when you go to sign up for the airboat ride, because later on I kind of looked and found that for $10 more per person, we could have got a private airboat ride, which for $10 more per person I think was a pretty good deal. After the drive-thru safari and the airboat ride, we were pretty hungry, so we opted to try their takeout food area. The missus got the hot dog. It was a hot dog, but the cornbread she got with it was really good. I got the pulled pork sandwich. It definitely needed more barbecue sauce. It was okay. It came with some french fries. Oh yeah, when you pick your side, don't pick the baked beans. There's a picture of baked beans, but they don't have baked beans. No information at the information station today. So after a quick bite, we headed down to check out the walkthrough animal exhibit. Wild Florida Alligator and Wildlife Park. They got it all here. Shows and entertainment. Crusher show 3:45. Oh, that's getting ready to go. Exotic animal shows. Gator feeding 3 o'clock. Just missed that one. Eating his food.
There's a squirrel in there.
There is? Must be a hole somewhere. I don't think he's supposed to be in there. Oh, cat must be sleeping so early. Oh, there it is. Get him from the other side. Oh, there you go. Oh, disturb. Adjustment. Make an adjustment. Back to sleep. Oh, there's the alligator.
Oh, he's up. He's up. He wasn't up earlier.
Oh, yeah, he was sleeping, that's right. Saltwater crocodile. Oh, he's in the water, this guy.
Hey, what?
There you go. So this was Crusher, and he's supposed to have a show, but there's a sign that says, if Crusher's not in the water, he's not ready to have a show. So unfortunately, there was no show today. Gator photos. Let's walk down the gator plank. Get up, hands through the fence. Get up. Because the gator together. They're all over here. Don't need to see them here. I don't see them up in. They must be up in their thing or somewhere, honey. He's behind, probably up in the. Oh, there's one. Oh, yeah, hanging out. There he is.
Hey, sweetie. Just come to my work. We'll feed you.
There he is. Hanging out. Hanging out at the picnic table. Hanging out with Yogi Bear. Hey, boo boo. How about a picnic basket? There were so many animals to see. There was kangaroos, there was sloths, birds, and man, there was all kinds of animals. We easily spent 4 or 5 hours between the drive-thru safari, walking through, looking at the animals, and the airboat ride. It's a great family fun day. There was this area where you could buy a bag of sand from the store, and then you bring it over here and you sift it, and you'd find like little gemstones or fossils. It's a really neat area for kids. Mining company Gemstone and Fossil Panning. Select a bag of mining ore enriched with gems or fossils from around the world. Purchase the mining ore at the gazebo. Place part of the ore from the bag into a screen bottom box. Dip the box into the sluice, and watch the gems and fossils appear as the soil washes away. So I guess they put so many things in each bag so the kids will find something, and this is a chart of all the different things, I guess, and pieces of stuff you'll get. You get the minerals, gemstones, and some fossils. I'm sure they're just little tidbits and pieces, but you know what? If I was a kid and I was doing that, it'd be the greatest thing in the world. Look, I struck gold! Look at this fossil I found! So thanks for coming along to our journey to Wild Florida. And if you don't mind, please hit that like button. And if you like what you see, why not subscribe so you come along for the next journey.